How to uninstall BlueStacks from Windows 11. Now, BlueStacks is an Android emulator that you might have installed on your computer. And if you decide that you would like to uninstall it, it's very simple. First of all, you simply open up your search bar on Windows, and I would just recommend that you go ahead and then type in Control Panel and open up Control Panel. Once you open up Control Panel, here under Programs, you will find an option that says Uninstall a Program. So just click on uninstall a program option right here. Now, once you've done that, here you'll be able to see a couple of options in this case. Now, what you have to do from here is you have to simply go ahead and then search for the BlueStacks app from this list. Once you find the BlueStacks app, just make sure to select it. So let me just go ahead and then select BlueStacks here. There are three different options: BlueStacks X, BlueStacks Services, and BlueStacks App Player. Make sure to uninstall all of this by selecting that and clicking on the uninstall button. And ask you for a confirmation if you want to uninstall it, and once done, BlueStacks will be uninstalled from your PC. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.